So yun guys, huwag na natin patagalin. For today's video, please meet DJ La Aircraft. Okay, how does platform work out? Yan yung pag-uusapan natin for today's video. But bago tayo magsimula, paalala muna, ang bawat investment, mapa-online man o hindi, ay laging merong kalakip na disgrasya. So always do your own research and take your own risk para wala kang sin bandang mali. Okay? Again guys, sa mga naghahanap pagkakitaan online, pwede nyo aralin yung cryptocurrency. Kaya it's not too late para aralin ninyo at kumita kayo ng maganda online. Okay? And also yung mga ina-upload natin na mga application, website, okay, pwede tayo magpalago ng kapirahan doon. Pero paalala, like I said, ingat-ingat din, and ito para lang sa mga risk taker at merong mga extra money na pwede mong palaguin. Okay, so simulan na tayo guys, no? Alright, so dito guys, nalagay lang natin yung ating contact information. Maglagay kayo dyan, kahit shortaan nyo, ilagay nyo pangalan nya. And then your mobile number, your password, please confirm lang natin yung ating password dito, and then invitation code. Okay, so once you use my link down below, hindi na kayo hanapan pa ng invitation code. And then you're good to go. Click nyo na itong register. Okay, so in my case, meron na account dito, kaya maglalagin na lang muna ako. Okay, so dito tayo sa kanyang interface guys, no? Actually, first time ko dito. Okay, so try natin siyang lagyan, mag-invest tayo, and check natin kung tutubo ba tayo dito. Okay, so sabi niya dito, you only need to spend every half hour every day. Okay, joining my team. Right, complete the task of receiving orders. Monthly income of 30,000. It's just a beginning. Every invitation you send for opportunity. Okay, by the way guys, no, there are two ways of earnings dito sa ganitong klaseng platform. Okay, halos lahat ng mga platform guys, dahil meron silang affiliate program or invitation link na pwede kang mag-invite to earn massive commission by inviting. So napakaganda guys sa mga online application. Okay, so meron tayong dalawang ways. Okay, so hindi mo kailangan mag-invest. Kung natatakot ka, by inviting, pwede kang kumita even while you're sleeping. Talagang tutubo yung pera mo, kikita ka dito. Okay, so again, like I said, first time ko dito. And alright, so as you can see guys, so meron tayong balance dito na 100. Nag-aantay lang ako na mapasok yung tinap up ko. Okay, pero tuturo ko din sa inyo how to top up. Okay, so tingnan muna natin guys, no, kung paano tayo kikita dito. Okay, so dito guys, meron siyang free. So huwag na tayo dito mag-focus. Okay, so meron tayong VIP 1 up to VIP 9. Okay, and then dito guys, no, sa VIP 1 for example, okay, mag-top up ka or magdi-deposit ng 300 pesos. Ang tutubuin mo dito, commission mo is 3%, 3 orders. Okay, so dito naman sa VIP 2, so by the way guys, no, ginawa lang GCash, pero grabing platform pa rin ito. So gagawa lang tayo ng task, and then yun na, ganun lang kabilis guys. So ipapakita ko sa inyo guys, no, mamaya. Okay, so dito naman sa VIP 2, kikitain natin is 4% sa 700, and then dito naman sa VIP 3 sa 1,500 is 5%, 9 orders, dito 6 orders. And dito sa the last one, VIP 9, okay, required investment na dito is 75,000. So palaki na palaki, and yung commission mo palaki rin ng palaki. So 11% and 27 orders. So kung napansin niyo, yung labanan niya dito is the higher of investment, the higher of income return. Pero nakakatakot yung malaki yan guys, kasi hindi natin alam kung hanggang kailan sila magtatagal. And sa SBIP, okay, required na dito investment ay napakalaki na. So 100, pero wala pong nagtatap up ng ganyan, 12%, 30 orders. Okay, so dito lang tayo, kung gusto nyo subukan, dito lang kayo papasok sa maliitan. Okay, huwag kayong mag-aangad ng malakihan, lalo na kung hindi natin alam kung magtatagal ba yung platform o hindi. So yung aking trials lang, meron man ako extra na pinapaikot ko. So okay lang sa akin. Okay, so papakita ko sa inyo guys how to do it. But before that, syempre papakita ko muna sa inyo yung ating inviting program. Okay, so dito guys, so meron siyang inviting para pwede kang kumita. Alright, so check muna natin guys. Okay, so dito guys, yung invite, tap lang natin yan. And then ito yung ating invitation link. So copy nyo lang yan, and once you copy it, you can post it now to your social media platform like Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Telegram, Twitter, WhatsApp, at kung ano pa mga social media platform na ginagamit nyo kung meron kayong mga GC. Okay, invite friends to register, get 2 pesos. So meron kang 2 pesos pag nag-register sila, and then invite friends to become VIP, and then share the highest proportion, okay, is 26%. So napakalaki guys, no? And then level member 20% sa second level. So meron siyang up to third level, level 1, level 2, and level 3. So A, B, C, invite A, invite B, and invite C. Okay, sa third level guys, ang kikita naman natin is 5%, okay, 1%. Okay, the third level member 1%. So yun yung kita natin, up to 26% of commission. Okay, so napakalaki, right? So balik tayo dito. Okay, so kung gusto nyo pang malaman about the company, okay, introduction, meron siyang rules dito, and then announcement, okay, finance, pwede nyo buksan yan, okay. And then saan pala makikita yung ating income for inviting? So tap nyo lang dito, and then team report. Okay, dito sa team report, makikita ninyo yung ating invite or ating income kung magkaano na. Okay, so lahat yan makikita nyo dito, kaya mahalagang tingnan ninyo kasi baka mamaya mayroon palang gumamit ng link nyo and nag-top up sila. So right away makukuha nyo yan, commission nyo. Okay, so yan yung kagandahan dito. Right, so this time punta naman tayo how to top up para makita ninyo kung paano gagawin. Alright, so dito guys, ang makikita ninyo, open na yung aking VIP 3. So meron tayong 1,500 na sinubukan. Okay, so this time tuturo ko muna sa inyo how to top up para malaman din ninyo. Okay, so dito tap lang natin, no? Recharge. And then mamimili ka lang dito guys kung magkano yung amount. For example, kung 1,500, nakamatic na yan. And then click mo lang to guys, no, recharge. Okay, right, so after that lalabas si GCash, and then type nyo lang yung mobile number ninyo, and then continue nyo lang guys, no. And after ninyo ma-send doon ating application, okay, so balik tayo dito. Right, once na na-send na, check niyo yung inyong account guys kung pumasok na siya dito, and then itatap na ninyo kung saan VIP kayo pwedeng mag-join. Okay, so by the way guys, no, bago natin simulan, they have a contact support. If ever you have a question, tap nyo lang yan, kontakin niyo kung meron kayong mga tanungan if you encounter any trouble. So let's start guys, no, by grabbing orders. Okay, so ito na. Okay, so ito yung current level natin, VIP 3. Yan. So now we can start grabbing orders. So, check muna natin dito, no. Okay, wala pa tayo dito na complete, and then dito tap natin tong kamay. Okay, nakaganyan. So dito start grabbing tayo up to 9 orders in all. Okay, so 5% yung makukuha natin. So let's see guys, no, 100 lang yung pera natin dito, yung free na pinamigay niya. Okay, so start na natin. Okay, submit. Okay, completed. Antayin nyo mag-complete kasi dito meron siyang count 1, and then start natin ulit hanggang 9. Okay, hanggang 9. Submit lang. Alright, then submit. Okay, last 2. Okay, submit. Okay, as you can see guys, no, yung ating balance dito from 100 tumaas na siya, 238 na. So tapusin lang natin. Okay, so 9 completed. Pag 9 completed na siya guys, it means tapos na. So pag nag-start grabbing ka pa, hindi na niya i-allowed. Okay, so dapat 9 lang. So ito na guys, no. So okay na siya. So up to 9 lang talaga siya. Okay, so now ito na yung ating kinita, 238.87. 138.87. So ganun lang siya guys, kabilis. Okay, so tomorrow morning balik na naman tayo, and then grab again another orders para may mawi-withdraw na naman tayo daily. Okay, so by the way, kung gusto nyo mag-withdraw. Okay, so tuturo ko na rin sa inyo kung how to withdraw. Okay, so tap lang natin dito, home. And then guys, nandito makikita natin, for example, withdraw. Alright, and then select bank. Okay, GCash of course. Real name, lagay nyo dyan. And then bank account, lagay nyo lang dyan. Okay, so real name niyo yung GCash name. Bank account, yung number pa din ng GCash. And then account number, GCash pa din. And then guys, so after that, please enter your PAN password. Okay, so lalagay nyo dito yung password. And then confirm nyo lang siya. Okay, so alright, so ganun lang guys kadali gawin. And ganun lang din ka easy to earn money with djaircraft.com. Okay, again, if you have a question, just comment down below para masagot natin ang inyong mga katanungan. Happy earnings. God bless.